Hello, this is Josephine and welcome back to another video. Today I'm making delightful chocolate vegan pancakes and I'm topping them with coconut cream, berries and syrup. This is a magical recipe. So for ingredients you're going to need a cup of flour as well as the juice of half a lime. I've used 2 spoons of cocoa powder as well as some sugar, some coconut milk, and then I've topped it with the cream from some coconut milk, berries and syrup. So I'm going to start by putting a cup of flour into my mixing bowl and then essentially all the dry ingredients, so the cocoa powder as well. I've used 2 tablespoons and a pinch of salt. Now let me tell you, this video for some reason everything has been glitching, but just bear with me because the process is absolutely amazing. So once you've got your dry ingredients, you're ready to add your wet ingredients. So here I'm adding a cup of coconut milk. You can use any plant milk that you like. The coconut milk just goes with the rest of the ingredients, as well as half of a lemon squeezed into there. It adds a really nice sharpness that balances everything. And then I'm stirring that together. Depending on how sweet you like your pancakes, I don't like mine too sweet because I use sweet toppings. I've only added a teaspoon of brown sugar, but of course you can add as much sugar as you like to your taste. Then I'm heating my coconut oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and using a little drop of batter to test it's hot enough, before using a ladle to spoon in some batter and sort of stir it around the pan. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry, but as you can see I'm just spreading that evenly on the pan. Then I don't touch the batter until I see these sort of bubbles forming and it starts to cook on the outside, and when the pancake is nicely bubbled and mostly cooked is the only time I touch it to flip it. Because we're using self-raising flour to make fluffier pancakes, it's important to touch them as little as possible. So as you can see here, I'm flipping the pancake and then I repeat that process. This recipe will make about 6 pancakes, which I would say is enough to serve 2 people, maybe 3, depending on how hungry you are. And as you can see, I'm doing the same process again using the ladle, waiting for the bubbles to appear before flipping the pancake, and then stacking them on top of each other and moving on to the next. So you should get a nice stack of quite thick and fluffy chocolate pancakes. Once you have your stack, what I like to do is use some of the coconut cream, which I made by separating the fat from a cold can of coconut milk and just whisking that up until it's a little bit more fluffy. And then I'm layering that in between each layer of the pancakes, which adds such a delicious juiciness throughout the stack. And then putting a nice clump on top, and the heat from the pancakes will begin to sort of melt the coconut cream as well, which is absolutely delicious. And I'm so sorry, but I forgot to film me then putting the berries on top and drizzling a good helping of golden syrup, and then you're ready to enjoy. These are so decadent and absolutely delicious chocolate pancakes. Please give them a try. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.